Yo guys, what is going on? Hope you're having a great week. Today's video I'm going to be showing you a really quick method on how to get free Amazon gift card codes in 2024. This method is definitely the easiest. You need to use your mobile phone. As you can see here, I'm using an iPhone, but you can use whatever phone you have as long as you have an internet connection. And go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So you want to go to this website here, guys, Wavy Coupons. Click on that page. Pretty cool website. You can see they have a lot more than just Amazon, but you can scroll down and look for the Amazon page, or you can go to search, and in the search bar type in Amazon. You're looking for the Amazon gift cards apologies guys, Amazon gift card codes and coupons page. Click on that page, scroll down, you can see the coupons are limited. Sometimes this number doesn't update on Wavy Coupons, but yeah, they are limited. And you can get promo codes, but also you can get a $150 Amazon gift card code for completely free. Now, how do you get it, guys? You need to tap on the show coupon button here. And this is, like I said, a Amazon gift card code worth 150 bucks, or whatever that is in your local currency. So for me, it's about 120 or 30 Great British pounds. So you can see we need to unlock the code. Obviously, these codes are really valuable and desirable. So this prevents someone stealing all of the codes. So I'm not going to do it. I've already done this and got enough free gift cards. But basically, guys, you're going to need to press this unlock code button, and this will go to 100%. And when it does, you're going to see a new screen appear, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It takes around 5 minutes. You need to complete a couple of free tasks just to verify yourself. But yeah, that's going to unlock your code. And then when you get it, you can, I'm sure you know, in the Amazon app or website where you can redeem, but basically, I'll just type it in here, Amazon redeem gift card, and yeah, you can basically redeem your gift card in your account. So you're just gonna have to basically go to the app or log in, and there should be a section where you can enter your gift card code. So go to wavycoupons.com, and if you found this video useful, hit that like button, consider subscribing, guys, and yeah, enjoy your free Amazon gift cards. Peace out.